one big blue house, but it painted a green.
Yeah.
Then you go drive past one house, it's a beware of dog, but it's only cow live there. Then you go reach a one pub. When you reach a one pub, you're gonna take 3 left right turn. You hear? 3 left right turn. Outside the pub, you're gonna see one man, him got no legs, but him a wear one blue Timberland shoes. Ask him for show your Caribbean spice. You hear?
Okay. Thank you very much, love. Bye.
Yes, guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, man, Gabadan Family TV. Yeah, man. Yeah, so, you know, sometimes when Jamaicans are give directions, boy, sometimes you have to really laugh. Yeah, man. This is something for really laugh about, you know? Yeah, man. So, when a man a give sometimes some people are give some directions, then give you so much information, it's like you're literally confused. Eh? Big blue house. Eh? Man with 1 foot. Timberland shoes. Yeah, man. Jamaicans, man, sometimes I give them directions, man. You have to really laugh. Yeah, man. But anyway, guys, yeah, man, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, man. Gabadan Family TV. Yeah, so actually can I share some funny moments, you know, Jamaican funny moments. Yeah, man. That I'll aim at the video today, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, we just actually take some things, make laugh. Yeah, man, it's actually a joke. Yeah, man, so the video today, we just go through some clips and just have a laugh still, you know? Yeah, man, some funny moments. Yeah, man, but sometimes when I hear some things, peeps, it's like, you know, people, they might explain something, but they can literally hear the joke in it. Jamaicans are the best, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, so that's the aim of the video. Let's go through some clips. Yeah, man, some funny moments. Yeah, we just kind of just talk about it. Yeah, man, but the first video, as I hear for yourself, you know, that was actually a elderly man actually giving directions to a foreign lady. Yeah, that she was, yeah, a person that actually travels. Yeah, man, but you know, you get the understanding. Yeah, man, sometimes persons actually give directions. It's like, you have to just really take things with laugh, you know? Yeah, man. All right, so we kind of go to another clip, you know, based on this person's experience and something for really laugh about. Yeah, man, we just listen it and kind of get a laugh out of it still, you know? Yeah, man. All right, so here we go, guys.
Look into this and tell me if me wrong or if me right, you know? So this married lady contact me, say she want me do some electrician work for her around the house, you know? No problem, me go look on it. So me say 20,000, you know? She said, which part she can get the thing them for do the work, the material. So me say, electrical depot. That is 169 Constant Spring Road, Kingston 8. Them have every little thing. She say, you sure? Me say, lady, all of this site you have, them can supply you, you know? So them are the best in Jamaica for supply you with electrical things. Me reach back at the yard now, start do the work and every little thing. Me see she come out with a glass of lemonade. So me free see a minute because how she look now are different from when me just reach at the yard. She totally look different now. Brush leg and tie out a door. So me say, alright, give her me account number. The rain start to just come down now. She come out and she say again, you know, if you do everything today and you can come back tomorrow, you know. You check your account, so me go now, me check my account and every little thing. Me say 50,000. I say, who send me 50,000? She said, it's me. I like the way you move your hands around the place. I know you know to get the job done. Send it back. She said, no. Consider as a tip, you know. She come back out again with a plate of fruits. Then she will give me an apple. So I said, stop right here. So I told her, I said, lady, listen to me now. You see, if you don't want an electrician, tell me from now, let me go on and leave your yard. Because you have your husband and you look like you look something else. You see, you come out with the apple. You see, apple is the first temptation, is the first sin. We go on earth. And me not take part with you with that. If you don't want an electrician, let me go on. An electrician let me come back for you.
Yeah, man, I tell you peeps, yeah, man, Jamaicans are the best, you know? When they want a good laugh, yeah, man, I tell them, man, Jamaicans have all of the fun and the drama, you know? Yeah, man. But I tell you, so this young man actually, I tell, how we actually, you know, how he went to a house to do some electrician work. Yeah, man. So based on how we actually angle himself and him, you know, he articulate himself the kind of way they if you say, well, yeah, he's a professional. And how the lady actually deal with, you know, treat him good, put all money in my account. And it funny. It was very funny. So I decided, say, well, hey, electrician work him come about, you know. You understand? Like, now I Apple and all of them things because of them something there. Yeah. Temptation and all that. It was actually funny. Yeah, man. The first time I actually watched it, I something for really laugh about. Yeah, man. But we just run right through. Same way. Yeah, man. And just have a laugh, you know. Yeah, man. Jamaican funny moments, man. Alright, so this clip now, guys. This guy actually is like, him actually give a interview. Or actually a talk about something where it is basically funny where Jamaicans is actually concerned. Right? Yeah, man. So you don't know, so Jamaicans will actually do some things and you have to really take it, make laugh, you know? Yeah, man. But you hear, man.
Today, hundreds of Jamaicans were today turned away from hell because the devil says he does not want them up there because they only come in to make trouble and mash up his place. Reports are the Jamaicans are going down there with fraudulent means. They are traveling in wrong names and traveling on other people's debt certificates. But one of the report also said that the Jamaicans are installing fan fridges, air conditioners, and other cooling devices contrary to the laws of health. The report also said that the man was trying to overthrow Satan with his name Heli Lewis, otherwise known as the Maroon Emperor. He was booked to appear before the Devil's Race Court next week Tuesday.
Have a laugh. Yeah, man. Jamaicans are the best, man. Yeah, man. Have a laugh, man. You know, brother. Yeah? So Jamaicans good on a hell to make trouble with Satan. Yeah, yeah, man. So you say Jamaicans good on to put in an AC down a hell, because down a hell hot, you know. And Jamaicans good on that can make trouble. Yeah, man. Put in AC and all of these things. But you know, it's just some simple things people just actually say and it is actually funny. Just some simple things. Yeah, man. But only a Jamaican. Yeah, man. So this other clip now, just a run through peeps, just a whole of vibes. Yeah, man. Have a laugh, you know. Yeah, man. So this is actually a Twins of Twins. Just a short clip. You know. These guys are actually like legends, you know, where comedy is actually concerned. Yeah, man. Twins of Twins. Yeah, man. Classics, you know. Yeah, man. So we just gonna just run through the clip, yeah. And we just get a laugh off it, because that's the aim of the video still, you know? Yeah, man.
Stop it, noise. Take your out of my waist, you know. Have your hand on my waist so near man order. What you do, you? Mr. Lewis. I just a ticket me forget, you know. What you not lock me up for?
Operating illegal taxi.
Now tell you, so you slack country.
Push up them up.
What you not deal with?
You know you push up them up.
I tell you, some not run the taxi. And that man tell you, you know. What you talk about?
Stop your talking.
Oh, you mean stop talk?
You will be in problem.
No rights, you know.
Well, you're wrong today.
That me I tell you about injustice in the country, you know. How we gonna survive?
What?
Even if it's taxi me that road.
We are careful with today, so.
Man of us.
One more pilot.
A thief, we a thief.
One less flying aircraft.
May I hear you? Mr. Prisoner, what's your name, sir?
My gear now.
So, what's the description? What you do exactly?
The speed limit is 40. And him doing fuckery
So,
in a 40-mile zone.
Okay.
if heavy we lock in a Jamaica 5 o'clock, when me left work 5 o'clock, we go catch somewhere else we lock 5 o'clock, me have to go speed. That, I tell you, you educated fool
Look here,
on
man.
this, you know.
Don't tell me rubbish.
You see all you, Mr. Lewis, all your
Listen to me.
vampire, you know.
Listen to me. Listen.
Sucking the blood of the children. You have two puppy named Constable Folks and DC Williams. You see them? Nobody run no taxi. Them and they drive the record themselves, you know. You see all taxi. Might as well we call it taxway. Cause government a taxway. Police a taxway. Bad man a taxway. The girl, sure, hey. You see all if I win me a bad man, you come out of our house boy, I look for Jamites. You're dead. That I tell you, you know.
Oh, you're not station there, bottom officer.
Oh, you mean? Where are they? Look, let go me on them now, so.
Go stop, boy, go stop.
We are called, boy.
Let out the belt and your shoes,
I don't know.
Hurry up, man, hurry up, hurry up.
Officer, me left my pot on fire, you know. My house I go burn
Don't
down.
worry about that.
My house I go
Go
burn
on, sir.
down, you know. Please.
We have a new house for you. Just for
That
you.
you say?
Stop it, eyes.
Yeah. How are this?
Boy, Rodney.
Yo,
You want to know that phone, you know?
send him in.
Go in and sell, boy.
Talk about. I deal with man like man a criminal. Oh, me reach us over ticket over speeding.
Elder.
Wanna put man amongst criminal.
Easy.
Elder.
Thief and killer.
Elder.
Bounty killer.
Me go why you stop in high place, you know.
Military.
Oh, you mean
Yeah,
stop,
boy.
nice. Simple as a ticket man can come and
Listen,
some
Mr.
speeding
Man.
ticket and end up dead. That man tell you.
Loud
you know.
elder. You know me run boy a youth.
Man, nothing there, so you know.
Elder Bill. And what you think today? 5-star hotel. We check in the front desk and go
See
to that
how
big pretty
you-
room. Humble before you stumble. Do your time and a grumble.
Oh,
Here.
yeah, say man, no for talk, you.
Humble.
You see it? Them for build another prison for minor offenders. You know, see all mad people them a lock up in a regular jail. Oh, you mean? You know, see them lock up all hell Louis with there. Where them a wait for see a Bellevue that you there for there. Some of them politicians we around this are wicked, you know, you. And let me tell you, real bad man, different from some of them here that you nowadays. We are bust the biggest gun all AK them a fire and can't spell AK, you know. You know much your AK? Hundreds of thousands.
Yeah.
You see, if you ever try to tell him to sell that
You mad.
and put all the taxi on the road, you're dead.
And that me a talk about.
See the false pride where I talk about, you. I hate, you know. Hey, you see, sure. Hey, them not gonna love women off for saying, you know. But who not like the party, I drop a slave. But I hope when you wake up and find out, say, 5 bills for your bread, you know, blame nobody but yourself. You see, when all the budget are red, most of we go on like we understand the bag of big red. With them boy they are using, you know. When them look over them high glass and say things like this, you know. Due to our inability to sustain economic growth, we are going to have to allocate the significant revenue that will prevent this downward spiral. Therefore, we will implement excessive taxation. Them young people here, them not understand nothing what the man just say, you know. But them jump up and say, yeah! As long as the man say, hurry good and refreshment will be available at party headquarters. You know what, you know? Them people are coming like them, nah, no problem.
Yeah, peeps. Yeah, man. So that was actually twins of twins. Yeah, man. So it's actually 2 guys. Yeah, man. Very creative when they come on to comedian. You know. Yeah, man. So they actually like change over them voice and sounding like somebody else. You know. Yeah, man. But it is very hilarious, man. Yeah, man. Very hilarious. If you know about twins of twins already, you don't know about them already. But yeah, man. They are classics, classic Jamaicans, you know, funny and all of these things, yeah, man, all over social media, yeah, man. So we actually can go through one more clip, yeah, man, one more clip, you know, just to have a laugh and a whole of vibes, you know, yeah, man. But this is not actually Twins of Twins. This is actually a group of persons actually from you know, Walking TV family, Jizzyberg, yeah, man. So they are actually you know, persons always giving jokes and a whole of vibes, yeah, man. So we just kind of going at them thing and hear, you know, some I get some of the vibes, yeah, man.
See Danny there? Come. I say boy with you past Springbank. And him come. So him come boy, him come from town and you know say my town man the whole of it did there. But him say hungry and them boy, say boy then I don't cook yet. Saying say alright. I mean, don't know what boy man walk go on a foul cook. And just go so and fling a foul.
Good man, Danny.
Take up 10 egg.
Danny?
Yeah, Danny, fling off the foul off my foulness and take up 10 egg and come round. But me never know what go on and scramble them and dash them in a clad pot. And heat off and get one the 5 pound bread them we sit down a bakery.
Danny?
Yes, man. You know, tell me, I tell you, man, them not did a man. And make a sandwich.
Yeah.
And eat. And me say, Clark, all of a sudden, a man say, look there. Danny just a kick to blood. A straight up hospital, we have to go with him. There's a way it, me see the egg. When I look, Danny fling a setting foul. A setting foul egg, you know. 1 dozen blood foul egg, you know. Danny fry up on you, I mean, setting foul egg, you know. King over nearly dead up there. Hospital reach him. Well, they up there and then revive him and then give him something and then drink and then come down back and did it. Share and him share when one. Kind of body say go share. And the man share some big leg and some with ribs, you know, and sit down there eat the rice and peas. So all we did eat the rice and peas because we know him come back good. But some dog did it. I mean, I don't know why. I don't know if I hand back catch the chicken leg and the drop. You see a clad dog take up that the man put on him. Clad food and run on the dog and hold that.
A lie, I tell.
A lie what me I tell you, man. And the man a choke the and the dog gun the meat I bone left. I tell you, man, ask the man.
Oh, yes, sir. Danny, take the bone from the dog.
Take out the bone. What kind of
And now see this.
Yeah, man, a laughter is always good, you know. Yeah, man, I've kind of cut it right there, so still. Yeah, man, so just good holding our vibes with that, guys. Yeah, man. Just having a laugh, you know. Yeah, man, Jamaican funny moments. Yeah, man, that are the title of the video today, you know. Yeah, man. Actually, I have some more for actually, you know, put out so you guys can just have a blast. You know, it is good to have a laugh. Yeah, man, laughter is the best medicine. Yeah, man. So, anyway, guys, if you actually make it this far in the video, yeah, man, I do appreciate it, you know. Give a thanks. Yeah, man, just do the right thing. You know, just subscribe to the channel, give the video a like. Yeah, man, I do appreciate that. Yeah, man, actually, kind of push a video, you know. Yeah, man, anyway, guys, as I say, like, comment, and share, tell a friend. Yeah, man, show some support. And bless up yourself until the next video. Yeah, man, One Gabadan Family TV. Yeah, man, bless up yourself, peeps. That's it.